Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.1, question number 2. Dear students, watch full length video. It will very helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, please subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members. If you need of previous concepts, just click this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Question number 2 in B. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. So in that second B, 2x minus 3y equal to 8, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So this one we need to show in the graphical representation, as well as we need to find consistent or inconsistent also we have to find. So first given equations, two x minus 3y, here I am writing 2x minus 3y equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So given equations we need to write a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Equal to 0 type we need to write. Means this plus 8 you can transpose to left, we are getting minus 8 we are getting. Means 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Here plus 9 becomes minus 9. So 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So it is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This model it is. So here a1 equal we got here 2, b1 means we need to take with sign, that is minus 3, c1 value here minus 8. In the second equation a2 equal to 4, b2 value is minus 6, c2 value is minus 9. Now we can take the comparison of the ratios. We have to take ratios. A1 by A2 means A1 is 2 by A2 means 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are, that equal 1 by 2 we are getting. Next B1 by B2 you can take. So B1 is minus 3 by B2 is minus 6. Minus get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are, that equal 1 by 2. So here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 we got it. That's why you can take C1 by C2 also you can take. So C1 by C2, C1 means this is minus 8 by minus 9, minus get cancelled, that is 8 by 9 we are getting. So now you can compare A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. This both are equal, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. That one you can write it. So A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 not equal C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal C1 by C2 means these lines are, what type of lines we can say? Inconsistent lines we have to say. So therefore the lines are inconsistent. So therefore the given lines, the given linear equations, represent. So here A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 not equal C1 by C2 means what type of lines that is? That is the parallel line, represents parallel lines and have no solutions. So this is about the consistent or inconsistent. Now this one we need to show in the graphical representation also. So let us see the graphical representation. Graphical representation. So first equation I am taking. For the equation that is 2x minus 3y equal to 8. So in that x values and y values pairs. So x and y values are assumption values only here. So first equation for I am taking x value 0 I am taking. So x value if I will take 0, 2x minus 3y equal to 8. So x value you can put 0. So if you can take x value 0 means 2 into 0 minus 3 into y equal to 8. 2 into 0 0 minus 3y equal to 8. So 0 minus 3y, that value we can get minus 3y equal to 8. So this minus 3y we need to transpose here. Into is there, into becomes divide. So y equal minus 8 by 3 or 8 by minus 3 also we need to write. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, means 2 remained, point means 20, 3 6 are 18. So y value we got it here minus 2.6, that pair 0 comma minus 2.6. Now we can take y value, you can take 0. So y value I am taking as 0. So in this equation only y equal 0 I am putting. So that equation becomes 2x minus 3 into 0 equal 8. 2x minus 3 into 0, that value is 0 equal 8. 2x minus 0. 2x 2 we are subtracting 0 means we can get 2x. 2x equal to 8. So x equal, this 2 you can transpose to right. By 2 we are getting 2 1s are 2 4s are, that equal 4 we are getting. That value you can take here 4. So the pair is 4 comma 0 we are getting. That pair is 4 comma 0. Now next same as this way you can take the second equation also. So for the equation that is 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So here also we need to take x, y and pairs we need to take. So x values are assumption values, y values also we need to take assumption. So first you can take x value, I took here 0. So first one it is 4x minus 6y equal to 9. X value you can substitute 0. So we are substituting x value is 0 means 4 into 0 minus 6y equal to 9. 4 into 0, that value is 0 minus 6y equal to 9. 0 minus 6y, that value we can get minus 6y equal to 9. This minus 6 you can transpose. Y equal to 9 by minus 6. 3 table 2 you can cancel. 3 2s are 3 3s are, that equal minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 means 2 1s are 2 1.5s are, that equal minus 1.5 we are getting. So here x value 0 means y value we got it minus 1.5. That pair is 0 comma minus 1.5. Now we need to assume y value is 0 you can take. So here in this equation only we are taking y equal to 0. So what we are getting, once you have to check it, 4x minus 6 into 0 equal to 9. So y value we are taking as a 0. 4x minus 6 into 0, 0 equal to 9. So 4x minus 0, that value 4x only equal to 9. This 4 you can transpose, x equal to 9 by 4. So we can't cancel here. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, point means that value 2, 4 2s are 8. So 2.2 we are getting. So that is 2.2 comma the pair 2.2 comma 0 we are getting. Now graphical representation, in you can take the graph. So this is the x-axis, it is y-axis, both intersecting point is 0, 0 downside values are negative values, 0 left side values are also negative values. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 above values also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 left side values are -1, -2, -3, below the 0 -1, -2, -3, -4. Now we need to take first equations 1. First pair 0 comma -2.6. So x value is 0, y value is 2.6. 2.6 means here approximately I am taking this is the 2.5 means one line afterwards. This is 2.6 we can get. Next pair is 4 comma 0. X value is 4, y value is 0. Means we can get here 4 comma 0. Exactly we are getting. So this equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 8. Next one it is 0 comma minus 1.5. 0 comma minus 1.5 means we can get here -1 and -2 between only we are getting. That is 0 comma minus 1.5. Next one it is 2.2 comma 0. 2.2 means here we are getting. So 2.2 comma 0 means so this is the equation is 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So both the lines what we have to see here, both are parallel lines. So both are not intersecting. That is the parallel lines only we got. This is the about graphical representation of the given data. Must and should we need to write the scale also. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. This is about graphical representation of the given data. In the next upcoming video, we will focus on same type of problem, that is the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Dear students and viewers who need this video, please share. It will helpful for others also. Suggest them to subscribe the channel. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.